We're on our way. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 26th, 2019. I am currently outside in this beautiful but warm weather. Today is supposed to be very warm. It's supposed to be like 86, 87 degrees. I mean, it's beautiful, but very warm. Actually, just a little while ago, my mom finally turned our AC on for the summer. It's finally gotten warm enough where she's like, okay, the humidity and just the discomfort levels will be high, so why not turn the AC on? So today, as you can see, I am dressed, and first off, I'm on my way, running a quick errand for my mom, and then currently just wearing pink shorts, my sneakers, this shirt that says "Love Always Wins," my earrings that I wore the other day, and my blue hat. I'm on my way to get the mail, see if we got anything good before I leave. So I'm leaving in probably, I say the next 20 minutes, but probably at least half an hour, 3:30, something like that. I'm on my way to get the mail, got my keys, everything else. I was looking at the weather, and it said that the temperature was close to 80 before, but it felt like 91, and it feels like 90 something degrees up here because it's slightly humid-ish. It's slightly humid-ish, but it's nice under here because this is where all the trees are. But I always think it's kind of exciting to get mail, which, don't get me wrong, it is. I always think it's exciting when I get mail, which, don't get me wrong, it definitely is. But sometimes, most of the time, it's just like medical things, medical stuff, or like insurance and things like that. So things that aren't really for me, but say they are. One thing that I do need to do definitely before I leave is put on some sunscreen, because if it's warm out here, I do not want to get sunburned. I absolutely do not want to get burned. The only reason why I haven't actually put it on early enough is because I knew that A, you're gonna sweat it off, and B, you have to basically reapply it like at least every 3 hours so that you don't get burned. I'm definitely going to apply sunscreen. I wonder what this is. I have a feeling it's like junk, but hello there. I have a feeling it's like a piece of junk, but there. First place is the face, then it's going to be my ears, and then a little bit on my neck, and my arms and stuff. I'm gonna most definitely get on back there. The hardest part for me definitely is my neck. That's probably for anybody, but mainly for me, it's hard. Well, that should be good. Sunscreen, check. Next thing on the list before leaving anywhere is cleaning the sink out and just putting the dishes in the dishwasher. And it's like 5 things. It's not even that much. But I know that I can't leave it all like that. Alright, last thing, I usually have to write a note before I go anywhere, so that is what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm just going to play the waiting game and wait for Robin to show up. She gets out of work at 3, and it's almost 3 now, but it'll probably take her a little while to obviously get here and get herself situated, so I don't want to rush her or anything like that. So I am going to write a note. Oh, look at that. I had a little bit leftover sunscreen. I just noticed a little bit of leftover sunscreen on the nose. Yeah. Alright, note is all taken care of. Except for the time that I actually leave the house is what I'll write down before obviously leaving. And then, yeah, I'm just playing the waiting game. It's going for 3 o'clock. So we're just playing the waiting game. If you guys remember these skeleton hands, I got them back in, I want to say February, but I'm all dressed. Don't mind my hair under here. It always happens when I wear a hat, which is why I rarely wear hats. But when it's sunny and hot and hazy outside, like I just looked at the weather and it says it's 86 degrees and it feels like 93 degrees because of the heat and humidity. But she's on her way, so we're gonna go have fun. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I kind of want to check out this place. I don't know, a lot of YouTubers know it. It's called Chick-fil-A. I've actually, honestly, never, ever been there in my life. I know, shocker, and it's also a shocker that I'm wearing finger gloves. When it's 86 degrees, but I feel like wearing them anytime I'm like around Robin. I just like to wear them. I don't know, I just like wearing them when I hang out with friends. They're just cool. It's my style. I like wearing them. Shocker. that, no, I've never been to Chick-fil-A, but I hear it's really popular. They have some really, really good food. I looked at their menu actually earlier. And they've got some really good food for actually decent prices. Like, honestly, I feel like Chick-fil-A's prices, ever since looking at their menu, I feel like they're cheaper than like Wendy's or McDonald's or any other fast food place, depending on the quality of the food. But I definitely feel like if a lot of people say it's popular, then it must be worth it. This is my right ear, this is my left ear. But if you look at me and you see my glasses are crooked,
do you see mine?
Like they're like this.
Well, yeah, but I can't even see yours being crooked right now. It doesn't look like they are.
Some kids are having their scream fest.
Did you have yours adjusted so that it's like the right?
No. I mean they'll probably adjust them with this new pair, so they're eyebrow to eyebrow, but who is screaming? I'm sorry, you guys. We are outside of Route 21 right now, listening to a scream fest. Any thoughts?
0.
I was just about to tell you guys about I was just about to tell you guys about the problem with my ears, and Robin went ahead and put these like sun hats on her head. Like, I can't compete. Look. So I got a new hat and a shirt that says no bad days, and Robin got this what does yours say?
Be a nice human.
Be a nice human.
Morals.
Shirt.
Lessons of the day. Hi.
And we're out of the. Look at the security had to come by.
Well, security's always patrolling around the outside.
So we're at the mall and we just exited because randomly, and it's like every single time we come here, what happens, Robin?
The fire alarm goes off.
Every single time we come here, almost every single time we've come here, the alarm goes off, and we're like, we're dumbfounded because we don't understand. We're heading back inside now. We just took an Instagram session, so if you are not following me on Instagram or Snapchat, where I'm going to be filtering these photos, then follow me. But we are going back inside now because it seems to have calmed down. We got some fresh air, took a photo or two, took a bathroom break, and then got spooked by the fire alarm. We're back inside, and it is almost 7:30, so we're probably going to call it quits soon, but we wanted to do a little bit more looking around. But where were we that we just got these shirts? Five below?
Yeah, 5 below. They're only $5 each.
Yeah.
Because it's
Five below.
the point of the shirt. Where is Hot Topic?
Alright, so where are we off to?
Hot Topic.
Hot Topic.
Right down past FYE. Ooh, wait, do you want to stop at FYE or do you want to go to Hot Topic first?
We can go to FYE.
Okay.
Robin is in a good mood today. Which she honestly, I've only known her for so long, but she honestly is rarely, would you say, ever in a good mood. Yeah, you heard it here, folks. The vending machine was a liar.
It's a liar.
So first off, I'm gonna look for a drink because I'm dying of thirst. Probably from all those French fries. Oh, crap. I didn't mean to. Okay. Well, we're driving home and I meant to take a picture, but I'm taking a video, but it's going for 9 o'clock. As you can see, it's dark, but it's 9:07 and we're on our way home. We are tired from walking around all afternoon. We spent much more money than we thought we would. But it was worth it. But we're gonna go home now. It's 9:07. We are tired. Not the first time this whole fire alarm thing has happened, but thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Right?